Hello and welcome to the Outpost RV. My name is Jeremy and today we're going to take a look at the Wolfpack 365Pack16. This camper with the Pack 16 means that it comes with a 16-foot garage. As you'll notice up front here, we have this molded fiberglass cap with the blue LED accent lights. We have the white gel-coated fiberglass sidewalls. Underneath, the camper is equipped with the generator. Underneath here, we have the Yamaha inverted 5,500 watt generator. It comes with the remote start there as well. So it's going to have the switch on the inside and the remote for it as well. We have a battery storage compartment underneath here, and this will connect to your side pass-through storage compartments, and it has the D-rings already built into it here. As we move on the side, it is going to come with two 20-pound LP tank bottles that will be filled by the Outpost RV. We have one on this side and one on the other side. Here is going to be a look at your storage compartment. As you can see, they have the tie-down brackets all throughout there. It comes with an on-demand water heater, so it is gas only, but only using gas when you're running hot water. So about 60% more efficient than what we've used in the past. We have two huge power awnings behind me with the blue LED accent lights. Each leg's adjustable if the sun's coming down. But you get a ton of awning space on this side of the camper here. Entrance door, we have this oversized grab handle to help you in and out. Sturdy steps going into the camper. We have a full-size door here. It is the tempered glass door with the built-in window and a full-size screen door as well. Outside speakers that light up blue. This is your furnace vent. We are pet friendly. We have your leash latch here so the furry family members can tag along and tie them up right there to the camper. Outside kitchen where we have your refrigerator, ice maker, got a couple different storage trays here, and your sink built in as well. Underneath there is a port, so if you wanted to bring a gas grill with you, you simply plug it in right there and run it off the gas on the camper. This camper is also prepped for auto leveling, so you can add the one-touch auto leveling system aftermarket to it if you'd like, and that was the bracket right underneath there that the jack would go on. All four wheels have electric brakes on them, self-adjusting brakes. As you can see, the center cap is popped off. These are the quick easy lube axles, and we have a tire pressure monitoring system. This side will turn red if it's low on air, so we'll unscrew that to demonstrate. That way, if you're low on air, you can just walk around and check your caps before you head out for your next destination. In the back here, we have another full-size entrance door going to the garage, again with another oversized grab handle. Your outside entertainment center, you have your TV bracket right here and connections down below. In the back, we also have your electric jacks with the switch to run those up and down right here. Another leash latch, and we also have a vent back here for the garage area. You can get cross ventilation. That way, if you're hauling something with fumes, you can keep it aired out. In the back, we have the patio system all set up for you. We have the entrance step to the patio included as well. You'll notice the screen goes all the way around, giving you a lot of extra living space out here. Up top, it comes with the bright white LED light back there, so if you're loading or unloading at nighttime, you can still see what's going on. And it is prepped for a camera. You'll also notice the 3 seasons door that we have on here, where you can have that closed in, keep the air in, bugs out, and it'll also open up so you have some screen there. Up top, we have a prep for a ladder. So you can purchase a telescoping ladder separately to get up there for roof maintenance purposes. This comes with a fuel station already on board. This will fuel your generator. There's also a fuel nozzle in here, so you can fuel up all your toys that you have. Right here to fill the gas tank. It is a 30-gallon fuel tank, and then also to turn your fuel pump on and off right there. This is a 50-amp unit, and it'll come with a 25-foot detachable power cord. We have your sewer hose holder underneath there. And then cable satellite connection here, so if you're camping at the campground and they offer that, you can simply just tap right in and get cable TV right inside there. Moving up to the front here, we're going to have a couple different water sources outside. This is a high pressure spray port, so if you wanted to clean off your four-wheeler or anything like that, you would utilize that hose. Underneath here, we have a low pressure spray port, your outside shower with hot and cold water. Up at the very top, we have your black tank flush. So when you're done camping for the week, you simply hook up your water hose. That'll blast out your black tank. And then we have your water fill station in the middle here. So on the left is your fresh water. If you're going to be dry camping or boondocking, you can fill up your fresh water tank, turn on your water pump, and use that water. We have your city water over here. If you're at a campground, you hook up your water hose. That'll pressurize the lines for you. And then over here is going to be the other side of your pass-through storage and also your other 20-pound LP tank bottle. That'll conclude our outside walkthrough of the Wolfpack 365Pack16, and now we'll take a look at the inside. And now we will move to the inside to take a look at this fifth wheel. Lots of space in here. Got your slide out over here with the theater seating, pantry, and the refrigerator. Again, with the 16-foot garage in the back. Lots of kitchen space here. Entertainment center directly across from the theater seat. And then over here, right inside the entrance door, we will get started. We have your fireplace down below. That can be on for looks, or it can actually be on to put off heat as well. That would be an electric heat. We have your breakers and fuses over there to the right. Some storage here. 110 outlet. We have your digital thermostat for your air conditioner. This camper is equipped with two 15,000 BTU air conditioners. Up top will be for your stereo. You have your zone 1 and zone 2 controls. Controls there. It is a Bluetooth system, so you would simply sync your phone to it and play music off your favorite app there. To the right of the entrance door, we have a little key hook. Hang your keys right on the inside. Coat hanger on the other side over here. We have a voltmeter. This camper is equipped with 300 watts of solar already mounted on the roof. It has 12 volt heating pads, which is the next switch to turn those on for an extended season camping. And then light switches down below. Over to the right will be your main control panel. Up top to see how full or empty your tanks are. Turn your lights on and off, your water pump. Run your side room in and out, and your awnings as well. Over here we have this dinette area where your furnace is located underneath. Window up top. Again, we have your TV location directly across from the theater seating. Connections up top there. On the ceiling, you're going to have two interior speakers that light up blue. You'll also have your exterior speakers as well. We have that blue LED accent light up top. Decorative lights hanging down. Lots of storage up top there. And lots of great counter space as well. We have a 110 outlet down here. Your fuel gauge. Keep an eye on how much gas you have in the tank. And down below with your CO2 detector. This is going to be a large single bowl sink. It is the farmhouse style. It comes with the prep cover, the sink cover there, so that way if you are not using the sink, you can utilize that as prep space. We have the high-rise faucet with the pull-out sprayer as well. Right there. Decorative backsplash. This camper is equipped with a 3-burner stove and the oven as well. More storage down below here. I'd like to point out the 110 outlets all over in the kitchen area here. Got plenty of outlets. And again, lots of storage up top. We have your microwave with your range vent. That vents to the outside. We have this bunk up top. Above where you would enter into the garage area, the ladder is included as well. Over here in the slide room, we have your fridge and freezer. The left side is going to be your freezer and right side fridge. This is a 12 volt refrigerator. So you get lots of space inside here. As you can see, lots of room and really deep. Great storage here. Pantry. Everybody loves the pantry. We got the frosted glass door. We'll open this up and take a look as well. Got the lights on the inside. You have a couple shelves here. And then really unique, we have some drawers built in and more storage down there at the bottom. With the theater seating, these are the heated massage chairs. They have the blue LED accent light as well. All 3 seats will recline. We have the zebra blinds up here, some decorative lamps. With the blinds, they can be either darkened out like they are, or partially open to let some sunlight in. And over here, we have a 12-volt charge port. Now we'll move upstairs to the bathroom. Got this large window in the hallway, grab handle off to the right-hand side. Just to the left of the bedroom entrance door is going to be your interior switch for the generator to start and stop the generator. And also your hour meter is located right there. On the right-hand side is going to be the bathroom area. Inside directly to the right, we have the toilet. This is going to have 2 medicine cabinets in here. We've got one right up above the toilet. We have the skylight up above the shower. And almost directly above me here, we have this high-speed vent fan. It has multiple different speeds on there. Large corner shower. I'll also open this up here. We have the upgraded shower head as well to get that high pressure. Over here, large single bowl sink in the bathroom as well, very functional. Storage down below. And we have your second medicine cabinet up top here. Lots of room in the bathroom, lots of great storage. There is a door going into the bed. So even if someone's in the bathroom, you can still get to the bedroom very easily. In the bedroom area, we're going to have your Pack King bed. Storage up top that has the doors on it, so you can utilize that as traveling. And some open storage over there to the right. We have a 110 outlet right by your nightstand. Window over here. There's also a TV bracket over here, a TV backer with the connections right up top there. You're going to have another 110 outlet on the other side of the bed as well. Again, with another nightstand over there. Great storage up top. This camper is equipped with a slide room up here that is all storage. So you got your hanging storage over on the left and all the drawers off to the right and down below as well. We have your slide room switch over here, a couple light switches, and then also your thermostat for the second air conditioner up here. And there's also going to be a 12-volt charge port up on the ceiling here. And now we'll move back through the bathroom, back downstairs. On this wall, we have your digital thermostat. That is going to be for your on-demand water heater, so you can turn that on and off and adjust the temperature of the water itself. Here's another look at that generator switch to turn that on and off. And now we'll get a nice overview of the front of the camper here as we go back and take a look at the garage area. Lots of open space in here. Great floor plan, lots of room. And of course, the 16-foot garage. We have this massive door here with a built-in window leading us out into the garage area. The garage is going to have the rubber floor back here. Tie downs all over the place. They come all the way up front. And you'll notice they go all the way in the back. We're going to have these windows on both sides that have the darkeners on them. So if you're traveling and you have toys back here, that way people cannot see inside. We've got a tall one up top there. Back here on the side wall, this is going to be a docking station for a Bluetooth speaker that you could purchase separately. We have another 110 outlet. Again, with the 2 dinette seats here, or the couches back here. We have the table in the middle, which you could remove, take outside if you needed it out there as well. This bottom section will also turn into another bed. The backs will come together. We have another bed up top here, creating a bunk bed system back here. 3 Seasons patio door It has the screens built into it. The one on the far right, the glass is actually lowered right now. And you could do that with all 4 sections, letting in a lot of fresh air back here. That is going to be one of the vents in the back, right behind the couch over there. Light switches and the switch to run the bunk bed up and down on the wall right beside the entrance door. This camper also has a half bath back here. The doors are hinged, so that way you could open those up and actually fold them all the way back to the wall, giving you more garage space back here. There is a camera prep in the back, so you can add a camera here and keep an eye on your toys as you're traveling down the road. I also like to point out the air conditioner is ducted all the way back here, and we have another TV bracket in the back. We have a washer dryer hookup with the water source already there and the outlet for it. We'll open up this door and take a look at the bathroom area. Again, this is going to be the half bath in the garage. We have your window in here, sink area, 110 outlet, and the toilet down below. You'll notice they even put the tie-down brackets all the way up here, so if you fold these doors back, you really get that extra garage space to utilize here. And that will conclude our walkthrough of the Wolfpack 365Pack16. I appreciate you guys watching. If you have any questions, feel free to contact myself or Henry at 866-338-9845. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.